Welcome to Vidyotma Physics. Are you worried about topic of integration? If yes, then throw that worry because today I am going to discuss integration from basics. We will cover what is integration, how it is different from differentiation, what are various rules for integration, how to integrate various functions such as trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, exponential functions, algebraic functions, etc. Before we start the lecture, I want you to pause the video and let me know how many questions you can solve which are written on the board. I hope you have tried. I don't know your score, but let me assure you that after this video, you will be able to solve all the questions which I have written on the board, as well as you can solve coaching module or any reference book which you are following. So without wasting time, let's start the topic of integration. First, differentiation and integration are not very different from each other. Okay, they are like siblings. They do have some similarities, they do have some differences. So let us first understand what is exact difference between differentiation and integration. So you know that when we differentiate any function, let us say y is a function of x here. Okay, so if I differentiate y with respect to x, I will write this sign dy by dx. Okay, but if I want to integrate, sir, what is integration? It is operator just like differentiation. Okay, if I want to integrate y with respect to x, I will write y dx, and for integration this is the symbol, right? Similarly, geometrically, do you know that differentiation is nothing but slope? Yes sir, we know that sir, suppose y versus x is one curve and this is the graph. So if I draw tangent at any point, then slope of that tangent or tan theta is nothing but differentiation. Correct? Similarly, geometrically, we also have meaning of integration. So what is meaning of integration? So first, integration of y dx, that is integration of y with respect to x. And I write limit here. Limit means this is called as a lower limit and this is called as a upper limit. When I write like this, then I mean to say that we are trying to find area under this curve from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. So very simple, dy by dx is differentiation of y with respect to x. Integration y dx is nothing but integration of y with respect to x. Differentiation is nothing but slope to the curve, but integration is area under the curve. This is basic what you should know. Now, this is the most important part because ultimately we have to solve the questions. So we will focus more on that. Okay. So as I told earlier, integration and differentiation, they are like siblings to each other. Okay, they will have certain similarities, they will also have certain dissimilarities. Okay, let us see what I mean to say. Now you know that if we want to differentiate any function and if constant is in multiplication to that function, then we directly take constant outside. Yes. Similarly, when I am integrating any function and if constant is multiplied to that function, then I take constant outside. We will see examples in detail. For now, let us understand the rule. Similarly, if I want to differentiate two functions which are in addition, simply I differentiate two functions separately and add or subtract them. In the same manner, integration also, when we add or if we want to integrate addition or subtraction of two functions, then we simply integrate individual functions and then add or subtract them. Very easy, sir. Then what is dissimilarity? What is the difference, sir, between integration and differentiation rule? You know that differentiation of constant is what? Differentiation of constant is 0. Correct? Differentiation of constant is 0. So d on dx of 3 is 0 here. But integration of constant is not equal to 0. Sir, then what is the value of it? It is nothing but c into x. Integration of c dx, this dx will integrate and become x here. Okay, so integration of 3 dx will be what? 3x. But differentiation of 3 with respect to x is what? 0. Right? Another important thing here, there are no rules in integration for division or multiplication. In differentiation we have product rule, we have division rule, but in integration we don't have to study such rules for NEET examinations. Okay, now as I earlier told you that integration and differentiation are siblings. So like two siblings fight with each other, similarly integration and differentiation will also fight with each other. They will do exactly opposite things. What I mean by this rule number 1 speaks a lot. What it says, by now you know that x to the power n differentiation is nothing but n into x to the power n minus 1. Yes sir, we know that, very perfect. But when I am integrating this with respect to x, so what happens is, here it is n minus 1, but here it becomes what? N plus 1. If in differentiation, subtraction will be there in power, but in integration, addition will be there in power. In differentiation, this n will come here in product, but in integration, n plus 1 comes in denominator. Are you getting it? Okay, so n must not be equal to 1, because here if n is n must not be equal to minus 1, because here if it is minus 1, then 1 upon x, that integration is log x, that I will tell you in the next part of the lecture, okay, in the same video. Now let us try to understand how to apply such rules. Very easy sir, very easy. What is differentiation of x to the power 2? It is simply this 2 will come here in product. So in product 2 came x to the power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 or minus 1? It is minus 1, because it is differentiation, right? So what it became? It became 2x. Very clear? Yes sir. But in integration what happens? In integration, first you have to add in power. So 2 plus 1 it is. Whatever exponent is there, that you have to add. And the same thing will come in a denominator. And plus c, because it is indefinite integration, you have to add, just remember that you have to add this c whenever limits are not there. Okay, so what the answer is? X cube divided by 3. Very easy. We will solve such more examples. Okay, take pen and paper and solve along with me, so that your concepts will be very clear. So 1 upon x square dx integration, how to do it? So first what I will do, in order to solve such question, what I should do first? See, first you bring to this form, whatever this form is there, x to the power n, you bring it to the same form. So it is integration of, here 2 in denominator, so when it comes in numerator it will become minus 2. So this is integration of x to the power minus 2 dx. So by the rule what it become? Minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, correct? So here what is the answer? Minus 2 plus 1 is x to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. I can also write this as minus 1 upon x plus c. Very simple rule, very simple rule. Whatever the rule is there in differentiation, exactly opposite we have to do in integration. Let us solve this example, interesting example. Sir, here do we have to apply product rule? No, there is no product rule in integration. Then what we have to do here? Can you see root x? Root x. See, try to bring in the same form. How I can bring? Integration of, I will write x into x to the power half. Root is nothing but x to the power half, right? And you know that when in power the quantities are added, right? So these quantities are in power, right? And x are in multiplication, so they will be added. And what I can write? I can perfectly write integration of x to the power 1 plus half dx. So this is nothing but integration of x to the power 3 by 2 dx. Fine. I have not integrated, I have just simplified the function. Sir, then how to integrate? Apply similar formula. X to the power 3 by 2. Here n is equal to what? 3 by 2. So x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1. Very easy. That's it. Finished. What is 3 by 2 plus 1? It is 5 by 2. And in denominator also it will become 5 by 2. Solved. Easy. Right? Now go to the next questions. We'll solve many questions, because I believe that without practice of questions, physics subject cannot be done. Okay, look here, sir. Here addition is there, but don't worry, addition is like same like differentiation, only we have to do. So what I will do, first I will separate these functions. So integration of, sir, x square dx plus integration of 2x dx, correct? So you know integration of x square dx, same form, x to the power n. So the answer will be what? x to the power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Done, right? Sir, what about this? Plus, what I can do, I can take this 2 outside. 2 outside because constant. Multiplication of constant to the integration, I have told you that we can take constant outside just like differentiation. So integration of x dx. So my final answer becomes 2 plus 1, that is x cube upon 3 plus 2 into, what is integration of x? So it is simply, sir, x to the power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. So this 1 plus 1 and 2 is cancelled. My final answer is x cube by 3 plus x square. Very easy. What is there in integration? Nothing is there. Let us solve this question. The same question again, same question again. So what I will do? Again, first, addition is there, separate two functions. So integration of x root x dx plus integration of 3 dx, right? So what I will do again? What is integration of x root x? Just now we did, right? Just now we did. This is x to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. So I will directly write x to the power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 plus, what is integration of constant? Is it 0? No, 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 it is not 0. What we do? We take this 3 outside or directly by the rule integration of c dx. Which rule, sir? Which rule? See this rule. Integration of c dx is equal to cx. So what I will write? I will write plus 3x. Okay, that's it. That's it. You can take this 2 in numerator to simplify further, that is 2 by 5, x to the power 5 by 2 plus 3x. Are you going well? Okay, then let us speed up. Let us speed up further. Oh ho ho, sir, trigonometric functions, our biggest sorrow. Don't worry, don't worry. We will convert your sorrow into happiness. Okay. So first, trigonometric functions, differentiation and integrations are sibling. They will fight, so they will behave in opposite manner. What I will do is, I will write differentiation of all trigonometric functions and I will tell you that how integration differs from them. Okay. So are you ready? Yes, sir. Let us start. Integration of, differentiation of sine is what? Sir, simply it is cos x. Very good. Excellent. But when I want to integrate sine, always remember, they are made to fight with each other. Okay. So sine it is cos, here also it will cos. But here minus comes. Are you getting? What comes, sir? Here minus comes. Similarly, differentiation of cos is what, sir? Minus sin x, sir. Very good. But integration of cos will be what? Here it is minus, so here minus will not come. It is simply sin x. Whatever differentiation does, integration will do it like opposite manner. Okay. Tan x. So you tell me, what is in differentiation of tan x? It is secant square x, secant square x. Correct? If I want to integrate now, for tan, cot, sec, cosec, whatever is there, it is very easy. Sin, cos, you understand? Yes, fine, no worries at all. Now here, whatever differentiation I am writing, so when I want to integrate this function, see, if I want to integrate this function, the answer will be tan x. What I mean to say, see, differentiation of tan x will be what? Secant square x. Integration and differentiation are also reverse to each other. Okay. So if I integrate secant square x, what answer will be? Tan x. Simple. Very simple, sir. No worries at all. Similarly, you tell me, what is differentiation of cot x? Sir, it is minus cosec square x. Correct. If I integrate cosec square x, everything is here for integration. We are taking positive. Okay. Cosec square x, if I am integrating, what the answer will be? Minus cot x. These are like simple formulas. Nothing, no brain is required for application of it. Okay. Just to learn it, no brain is required. So sec x. So what is the differentiation of sec x, sir? Sec x tan x. Sec x into tan x. Therefore, integration of sec x and tan x will be what? Sec x. Beautiful. Okay. Again, cosec x. What is differentiation of cosec x? Cosec x differentiation is minus cosec x cot x. Sir, then what will be integration of cosec x cot x? Integration of cosec x and cot x will be what? Integration of cosec x and cot x will be cosec x or minus cosec x? Minus cosec x. Please pause the video and try to write this formula 2 to 3 times so that these will be ingrained in your brain. Okay. because once formula is clear, then we can solve questions easily. Okay, so let us solve the question. Ultimately we have to solve the questions. So these are the questions. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes sir, we are ready. Before that, let me tell you one more thing, that in when we differentiate something, suppose I want to differentiate sine 2x. Suppose I want to differentiate like sine 2x. Sine 2x. So what we will do? Simply it is cos 2x, and here 2 will come. Sir, how this 2 came? Chain rule. By chain rule, if you don't know what is chain rule, the link is there in description, you can see. Okay, but when you integrate this, whenever we are integrating, this 2 will not come in multiplication. This 2 will come where? Here in division it will come. Are you getting? So this is simple rule. I will tell you, don't worry, when we will solve it will be very clear to you. Look here, 3 sine 2x dx. First what you do? 3 you take outside because it is constant. So integration of sine of 2x dx is equal to 3 as it is. Now what is integration of sine? It is not cos. Cos is the differentiation, minus cos, because they will fight. Okay, very good. So here it is minus cos 2x. If it was differentiation, if it was simply differentiation, this 2 would have come here, okay, in multiplication, but now the 2 will be in division. That's it. That's it. Similarly, sir, what to do? See, this is in addition, so I can integrate them separately. Sec square x, secant square x. What is the integration? Tan x differentiation is secant square x. So secant square integration is what? Tan x. Beautiful. So it is tan x plus, sir, cosec square x, sir. Cosec square x is cot x or minus cot x? Minus cot x. Beautiful. So I will write minus cot x. Finish. Sir, what about this, sir? Sir, here it is dt. So it is very simple. We are also differentiating function with respect to time sometime, right? Here we are integrating this function with respect to time. So it is in addition. What is integration of sine? You tell me. Minus cos. And what is integration of cos? It is plus sine. Hey, it is just opposite of differentiation. Okay, very easy. Sir, what about this, sir? Very big problem? It is not big problem. We are big problem. Problem is small only. Sir, x square, what is integration of this? Now we are expert. X to the power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Very good, excellent, extraordinary. Plus sine 3x. What is the integration of sine? Sir, integration of sine is minus cos. Very good. And this 3 will be in multiplication or division? It will be in division. Very good. So this is in division. Okay, sir. Plus, you tell me, cosec x cot x. Minus cot x or plus cot x? It is minus cot x, sir. So minus cot x. Done, solved. Next question up. Sir, this is interesting question. Sir, you have not given us the formula for square, sir. What is this, sir? Square formula as of now is not required. When it is required, in next slide I will tell you. Here no formula is required. Why? Because sin square t plus cos square t. What is the value of this function? Sir, it is universal, sir. It is always equal to 1. No matter whatever angle you take, it is always equal to 1. So if this is 1, I will tell this is 1 dt. So this is nothing but t plus c. 1 constant is there. Integration of dx is what? X. Similarly, integration of dt is what? T. Yes or no? Okay, sir. This constant, this will come everywhere. Okay, in indefinite integration it comes. Next up, some special functions I have for you. And these functions, many times they are indirectly asked in NEET exam. When we will study alternating current in class 12th, okay, they will be used. When you will study another topics like electromagnetic induction is there also. Sometimes it is also used in kinematics, simple harmonic motion. Many chapters are there, in that it is used. Can you integrate this? If yes, then you are doing basic maths pretty well. If no, then we will learn. Don't worry. Sir, do we know sin square x differentiation? Yes, we know. Yes, we know. By which rule? Chain rule. But here there is no chain. There is no chain. So what we should do? Sir, we don't know how to integrate this. We don't know cos square integration. We don't know sin cube integration. We don't know cos cube integration. So in order to integrate this, because for sine we have formula, integration sin square we don't have. You must know the formula of half angle and triple angle. See, I will write the formulas. Whatever I am writing on the screen, that is very, very important for you. You must note it down and use that formula till the end of your NEET journey. Okay, what are the formula? First, what I will do, sin square x I have to convert in such form in which integration can happen. Okay, So sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. You have to learn this formula. These are like half angle formulas in trigonometry. Okay, if you want complete session of trigonometry, comment trigonometry, I will conduct that section. Okay, here cos square x. Sir, cos square x, what is the formula? Cos square x formula is 1 plus cos 2x upon, remember this. Okay, remember this. Sir, what about sin cube x? Sin cube x, the formula is 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. See, these are the formulas which you have to note down. Very, very important formulas. Okay, in cos cube x, what it comes here, 3 cos x plus cos 3x upon 4. Sir, how to learn these two formulas? See, for your NEET examination, by the way, these are very, very important. These two formulas are very, very important. If you don't learn these two formulas, that is pretty fine. But if you learn everything, then it is very good, right? Here, how to learn this? See, this 3 comes first here. That's why here it is 3 sin x. Then this 3 goes here. That's why it is minus sin 3x. Okay. And anyway, in division it is 4. You have to remember. 1, 2, 3, you remember. Then 4, automatically you remember. Similarly here, cos 3x, this 3 will come here. So this 3 came here. Similarly, this 3 will, this 3 will again go here. So this 3 is here. And here plus comes. Okay. In sign it is minus, here it is plus, and in denominator anyway it is 4. So let us quickly solve the question. Sir, what should we do with formula? We should able to solve the questions. Are you ready? Cos square omega t dt. Sir, what is this w, sir? This is called as omega. This is pronounced as omega, which is constant. Okay, you don't have, if you are in class 11, don't worry about it. Just remember that this is constant. Okay, I'm telling you. Sir, what to do? First cos square formula you have to write. Cos square formula. Sir, what is the cos square formula? Where is cos square formula? This is the cos square formula. What I will write? Focus 1 plus cos of 2 omega t upon 2 dt. Okay, sir, 2, see here whatever angle is there, you just have to double it. These are like half angle, double angle conversion formulas. So what we do is we separate entire thing. First we take 1 by 2 outside. Constant can be taken outside, right? So then I will integrate dt. Sir, from where this dt came? This dt is multiplied here. Okay, 1 is there, na? Plus integration of cos of 2 omega t dt. Fine. Any problem till here? No problem at all, sir. So how to solve this? So half is as it is. What is integration of dt? Here it is 1. It is like c dx. So c dt, that is equal to what? 1. It is x, right? And here x or t is equal to 1. Plus, what is integration of cos? If you tell minus sign, then I will slap. Okay, it is not minus sign. So cos integration is what? It is sine 2 omega t. And you tell me this 2 omega, see whatever the constant is. Sir, what is constant here? Whatever constant is, this 2 omega is constant. Okay, so this 2 omega has to come in denominator. Has to come in it. Sir, where in denominator? Whatever part we are integrating. Okay, so it will come here. Are you getting it? You multiply, you get answer. I will write final answer. So half into 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 sine 2 omega t. Cool. Let us solve this question then. Okay, don't be so cool. Cos cube x. Sir, what is the formula of cos cube theta? Cos cube t. What is the formula? Just now we have seen. So here this 3 comes first here. So here integration 3 cos of t. Then what happens, sir? Then this 3 jumps here. So plus, in cos it is plus, in sine it is minus. So cos of 3t, and here it is dt. Some mistake I have committed. Wait. This 3 is only multiplication of this, right? So this cos of t, yeah, divided by entire function divided by 4, and here integration dt. So what you do? First 1 by 4 we will take outside. Okay, 1 by 4 constant is there, we'll take outside and we will integrate this separately. Integration of, focus, very important, 3 cos t plus integration of cos of 3t. Cos of 3t. See, these are like JEE level questions. I don't know whether they will come or not in NEET, but we have to practice. Okay, looking this year paper, so we have to be ready for level up. So what is integration? There are 3 cos integration is what? Sine. So 3 sin t. Very good. Three sin t. What next will come? Here integration of cos is sine. Excellent. And this 3 will come in denominator. Sir, final answer should I write? Yes, yes, I will write. I will write 3 by 4. 3 by 4 sin t. 3 by 4 sin t plus sin 3t upon 12. This is my final answer. This is like integration for such functions, because these are like difficult functions. Okay, these functions are difficult functions to integrate. Okay, let us move to the next part. And what is next part, sir? There are 2 type of integration. One is called as indefinite. Indefinite means what? You went to play cricket, you don't know when you will come, so you don't have any limits, right? So this is called as indefinite. What I mean, whenever I want to integrate any functions and if there are no limits, then that is indefinite integration. Sir, what is definite? There are limits. There are limits. One is called as a upper limit, another is called as a lower limit. This is upper, this is lower, and simply you have to substitute value and subtract from each other in definite integration. It is as simple as that. You don't believe that it is simple? Then let us solve this question. What is the question, sir? First you tell me what is integration of this. So integration is what? See, once integration is done, I will write like this. I know integration is done because we know the formulas, right? You tell me what is integration of x square. It is simply x cube by 3. Now you have to be super fast in integration. Okay, minus 2x, sir, what is integration of this? Minus 2x square by 2. Okay, this much is clear. Simply we have to put upper limit and minus lower limit to entire functions. How I am doing? Focus here. Upper limit, this 2 you have to substitute here also and here also, whatever is inside the function. So it will be 2 cube by 3 minus 2 square. Okay, this is like upper part. This 2 I have substituted here, minus this 0 you have to substitute again here. So I will write 0 cube by 3 minus 0 square by 2. You simplify, you will get the answer. Answer will be what? 8 by 3 minus 4. So what is 8 by 3 minus 4? It must be like minus 4 by 3 or something. You check. Here sin x. Sin x, sir, what is integration of sin x? So integration of sin x is cos x or minus cos x? Exactly, it is minus cos x, right? Very good. So I will write, my integration is done. Minus cos x. Okay. Minus pi by 2. And here pi by 2. Sir, what is this straight line? Sir, integration is like snake. But what is this straight line? Straight line means that our integration is done. Only we have to substitute limits. Okay, that's it. So first what we'll do, we'll take minus outside. So if minus is outside, then I will apply limit. Upper limit I will put cos of pi by 2. Upper limit minus cos of minus pi by 2. This is my final answer. See, this is also 0. Come on, this is also 0. So answer is what? 0. Hey, cos pi by 2 minus pi by 2, it is 0, right? Sir, what about this? How to integrate? Very easy. Very easy. How to? So 0 to pi. First, our integration is done. So much confidence that I know you will integrate till now. If you have pen and paper and if you really solved with me previously, then your integration will improve for sure. So what is integration of 2t? It is just 2t square by 2. Okay. Plus what is integration of cos? It is minus sign or plus sign? Plus sign. Exactly. Sin t. Okay. Then what I have to do? Simply you have to apply the limits. How limits will be? First 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So upper limit is what? Pi. You put here pi square plus sin pi minus everything 0 will come. You substitute here 0. Here it will be 0. 0 square is 0. Sin 0 is also 0. You tell me what is value of sin pi? It is 0, sir. So for answer is what? Pi square. Is integration easy or difficult? I think it is easy. Okay. You must also think, because ultimately you have to give the exam. Let us come to the last part of this, logarithmic and exponential function. Very easy. Again, very easy. You know what is differentiation of exponential? Yes sir, we know it is simply e to the power x. What is integration, sir? Simply e to the power x. No change. But where change will come? Where change will come? I will tell you. Suppose I want to differentiate e to the power 3x. What is differentiation? You tell me, with chain rule, with chain rule. What is differentiation? 3 into e to the power 3x. This 3 comes here. But if I want to integrate e to the power 3x, here e to the power 3x integration don't like to come in product, it will always be in division. Okay, this is secret, don't tell anyone. So upon 3. Simple? Yes. So sir, what is differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Okay, what is integration of log x? Integration of log x also, log x is not a part of your, in mathematics they do by integration by parts, but here it is not required. Integration of 1 upon x is required. Integration of 1 upon x. See, this was the case which I was telling you. Where it is? Where is our case? N must not be equal to minus 1. Okay, if n is minus 1 here, look here, if n is minus 1, what it will be? Integration of x to the power minus 1 dx, right? It is what? 1 upon x dx. So for solving this, there is another formula, that log formula is there. That's why n is not equal to minus 1. Elsewhere this formula is apply everywhere. Okay, so you check, you go to last slide. I'm going to last slide. Okay, yeah. So integration of 1 upon x dx. So log x differentiation is 1 upon x. So integration of 1 upon x dx is what? 1 upon x dx is log of x. Is it simple? Okay, let us solve example related to this. Suppose someone asks me, integrate 3 upon x dx. Don't miss smart. Okay, don't apply that rule x to the power n, because here n is equal to minus 1. What I will simply do, I will simply take constant outside. This is integration of 1 upon x dx log x. Okay, so this 3 is in multiplication and some c will come here. That's it. That's the end of integration. We have covered almost all type of functions, and I hope your integration has improved a lot by the end of this lecture. But again, you will forget after few days, I am telling you. So what you do, you write down all these questions, solve it, solve many other questions as well in your reference book, DPP's module, whatever you are following. Okay, I want you people to solve entire 6 questions and let me know answers in comment section. Okay, okay, one thing, one question I want to tell you. That part I think I have not discussed. Suppose I have to how to integrate this, like suppose I want to integrate 2x plus 1 square dx. How will you integrate this? Some smart people, what they will do, they will expand this and they will do square, and till evening they will solve. Okay, entire day they will keep solving. Okay, don't do it. Do you know simple formula of integration? That simple formula is applied here. How? I will simply write, look here, simply I will write 2x plus 1 square. So see, this is only applicable for linear. Okay, this is only applicable for linear. So linear means x to the power 1 should be there inside. So how should I integrate it? 2x plus 1, here it will come 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Only one extra addition is there. This 2 will come in, this 2 will come in multiplication or division. This will come in division, because integration don't like multiplication. If it was differentiation, this 2 would come in multiplication. Okay, once again I am telling, this 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, this 2, so this plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, till here it is fine, and this 2 comes in division in integration. Are you getting it? Sir, but what is integration of x square plus 1 dx? Can we do same thing? No, you cannot do same thing, because now here x square is there, here x square is there. That is only for linear. Okay, so what you will do, you have to expand this. So you have to expand this a square. I will write a square plus b square, okay, plus 2ab, okay, and this dx. And now this differentiation is very easy. Sorry, integration is very easy. What is difficult in this? Okay, x to the power 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 and 1 square, that is 1, that is x will come. Anyway, I will write answer. So x to the power 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 plus 1, integration of 1 is what? Simply x, okay, and here 2x to the power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Okay, that's it. See you till next lecture. All the best.